Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm just gonna be playing Mm2 but no talking. My voice has been kind of sore lately, but I also want to do content, so I just thought that this would be a good idea so that I don't have to use my voice. It's been a while since I've done MM2 content, so I just thought I'd give you guys a little present for 40 subs. Okay, if that's all, let's get into the video. What? What? Okay, bro, that didn't even hit me. I think that's gonna be it for today. I know there's only one round where I was murdered and killed everyone, but I didn't get murder at all during this whole video except for that one clip. And I've already been playing for like an hour and I don't really feel like recording anymore because, like I said, my throat kind of hurts. I think I just need a rest, but I'm glad I got to make MM2 content like I used to, so I think that's gonna be it for today. Bye everyone!